Hey everyone, so here we are. We've done an upgrade to our travel buddy here. We've got a door, we've got some trays, we've got our bracket here from Somerville Metalworks, nice and sturdy, hanging here on the cargo barrier. There's one little upgrade that we like to do to our units. We go down and get a barbecue meat monitor from basically the big green shed there. It's Bluetooth, and this one has a magnet on the back, so we can just let it sit up there on the cargo barrier and it doesn't go anywhere. So what we do is we put the probe into the unit, or you can put it into the food when you're cooking, and we set our unit to run, and then when we start our travels we can go into the vehicle. We've wired it to a relay, so we can do hit a switch and it just comes on, starts preheating. We can monitor the temperature. When we're ready, we'll pull over, put our food in, and off we go. We just set the temperature we want and off we go. So yeah, we can monitor the temperature from in the front of the vehicle. That way we know when we're cooking, if we're going to take a bit longer, we can see what temperature it's at, how long it's been cooking for, then we can get out, dial it down, or we can just monitor, make sure it's still cooking at the right temperature while we're traveling. The last thing you want is like maybe a fuse to blow or something to not to fail, and the unit turns off.